Fuel your gains, the anabolic diet. Want to build muscle? This diet is designed specifically for those who are serious about gaining muscle mass and strength. You need the right fuel. It's not just about the quantity of food, but the quality. Your body needs the right nutrients to grow. It's not just about lifting heavy, it's about eating right. The anabolic diet focuses on high protein intake, balanced with the right amount of carbs and fats. This is the anabolic diet, your blueprint for growth. It provides a structured plan to ensure you're getting the most out of your workouts. Get ready to transform your body. Forget skinny. Embrace strength. Witness the incredible transformations that come with dedication to this diet. This diet is about fueling your muscles. Every meal is an opportunity to feed your body the nutrients it needs to repair and grow. We're talking protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Each macronutrient plays a crucial role in muscle development and overall health. It's time to eat for growth. Make every bite count and watch your body transform into a powerhouse of strength and muscle. Nutrient timing, the secret weapon. Timing is everything. It's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. When you eat is as important as what you eat. Proper nutrient timing can enhance your performance and recovery. Maximize your gains with strategic nutrient timing. Plan your meals around your workouts for optimal results. It's like clockwork for your muscles. Consistency in meal timing can lead to better muscle growth and recovery. Before a workout, fuel up with carbs for energy. Carbohydrates provide the necessary fuel to power through intense sessions. After your workout, it's protein time. Consuming protein post-workout helps in muscle repair and growth. This repairs muscles and boosts growth. Protein intake post-exercise is crucial for muscle recovery. Timing is key for muscle building. A well-timed meal plan can make all the difference in achieving your fitness goals. Protein power. Build muscle fast. Protein is king. It's the building block of muscle. Without enough protein, your muscles won't grow. Calculate your protein needs. Eat up and level up. How much protein? Aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight. That's your magic number. Chicken, fish, beans, lentils. Get creative with your protein sources. Balanced meals, your blueprint for success. Don't fear carbs or fats. They're essential for energy and hormone production. Balance is key. Every meal should have protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Think complex carbs, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes. Choose healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. This is your recipe for success. The ultimate muscle-building meal plan. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, having a solid meal plan is crucial for building muscle and achieving your goals. Ready for a sample meal plan? This plan is designed to provide you with the right balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to fuel your workouts and promote muscle growth. Here's your guide to building muscle with every bite. Fuel your body right and you'll see the results. It's that simple. Consistency is key, and with this plan, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. Breakfast at 7 a.m., 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 scoop of whey protein, and half a cup of berries. This combination provides a great mix of complex carbs, protein, and antioxidants to kickstart your day. The berries add a touch of sweetness and are packed with vitamins and minerals. Snack at 10 a.m., 1 handful of almonds and 1 apple. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats and protein, while the apple provides fiber and natural sugars to keep your energy levels stable. Lunch at 1 p.m., 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast, 1 cup of brown rice, and 1 cup of steamed vegetables. This meal is a powerhouse of lean protein, complex carbs, and essential vitamins. Brown rice is a great source of sustained energy, perfect for fueling your afternoon activities. Steamed vegetables provide fiber and a range of nutrients to support overall health. Snack at 4 p.m. Greek yogurt with a 1/4 cup of granola and berries. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion and muscle recovery. Dinner at 7 p.m. 4 ounces of salmon, 1 cup of quinoa, and 1 cup of broccoli. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Quinoa is a complete protein and provides all 9 essential amino acids. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a perfect side to round out your meal. Unleash your inner beast. You have the tools, you have the knowledge. Now, it's time to act. Commit to this muscle-building journey. Fuel your body right. Transform your physique. This is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. Embrace the challenge. Push yourself. Unleash your inner beast. The results will speak for themselves.